How is wisdom best gained? Any man can gain wisdom by going through both joyful and sorrowful situations, making no mistakes or making mistakes due to lack of knowledge, and then separating two opposite consequences, good and bad, and choosing one of the choices that makes him believe to achieve good knowledge, health, and free decisions to make without being told by others what to do. Why do a few gain wisdom, but many do not yet? Many do not like sorrowful situations and avoid any situations that may cause sorrow or hurt. Many pretend to be ones who never make mistakes. Because they believe they do not make any mistakes, they never realize or admit their part in being wrong. Because they never admit their mistakes, they never feel how it feels to correct consequences of their wrongdoing and never find out what the correct things to do are. Harmful human activity we do to each other is iniquity. People who pretend that they never make mistakes let you go through sorrowful situations, but they themselves never want any sorrow and always choose joyful situations. You have to go through sorrowful situations for them to make them happy. Just because they feel happy and be satisfied when you are below them and your situations are worse than them, you go through sorrowful situations. But your gain shall be knowledge of how to overcome the sorrow and make it joy again. Those never tried remain without the knowledge that you gain it by feeling. What you have to do to gain wisdom is to exceed your knowledge on equal treatment and unequal treatment. Unless your knowledge exceeds the knowledge of those who have never gone through and overcome sorrowful situations and believe they never made mistakes, you cannot gain wisdom that is greater than their knowledge. It is good for you to know how to overcome sorrowful situations when it comes and how to behave when you regain your joy. A result of gaining wisdom is equal treatment. Wisdom gives the desire to be equal and fair. If you expect others to treat you equally, you also treat them equally as well. If you expect others to obey the law, you also obey the same law. If you expect others to realize their wrongdoing, you also find out and realize what you have done wrong. You are the cause of someone else's success or failure. Who can exceed wisdom? It is easier for a man who admits his own mistakes and overcome a sorrowful situation to exceed wisdom and knowledge than for one who has never gone through and overcome sorrowful situations and believes they have never made mistakes to gain knowledge and treat others equally. What does wisdom love? Wisdom makes feelings to be proud of telling accurate information, and loving justice, mercy, and faithfulness. Moreover, a wise man loves another who speaks true words and loves justice, mercy, and faithfulness as well. Because a wise man expects others to speak true and love equal treatment, he does the same to others. What difference does excessive knowledge make if man exceeds wisdom? Exceed wisdom is an understanding process that takes place in the mind and heart to turn hidden, unknown knowledge information into the revealing known knowledge information. When a man is young, his knowledge is like camel sized due to unknown knowledge that is meant to be discovered. It takes time and needs wisdom to make camel-sized unknown knowledge into keyhole-sized unknown knowledge and increase revealing knowledge to camel-sized. For what does man use excessive knowledge? Excessive wisdom is meant to be known to others and practiced by a wise person. It is unwise to hide what man knows because it is like that man light a lamp and put it under a basket. It is wise to practice and reveal what man knows because it is like that man light a lamp and put it on a lampstand and it gives light to all who are in the house. What does wisdom hate? Wisdom makes feelings to hate those who tell disinformation and enjoy injustice, deception, and dislike wisdom and justice. Moreover, a wise man hates another who speaks words of lie and enjoys injustice, deception, and dislike wisdom. Wise man does not oppose with such people. Who can understand wisdom? Wisdom is understood by a wise person. Wisdom makes wise man strengthen others closer to his own level and encourage others. Friend, exceed your understanding better than you were before. Wisdom likes to be with one who loves wisdom itself, like friends or neighbors. Therefore, if you want to be loved by wisdom, you should love and seek what to do right. Wisdom does not like to be with one who dislikes wisdom like enemies. That is difference between the presence of wisdom and the absence of wisdom.